In today's video, I will teach you how to create a glow effects extreme effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a glow effects extreme effect in GIMP can add an electrifying touch to your images. Follow these steps to master this eye-catching effect. Begin by creating a new image with dimensions of 1280 by 700 pixels. Then choose black as the background color. Now we're going to create a base glowing line. Start by adding a new transparent layer. Then use the Paths tool to draw an exact horizontal line, and make sure that it's evenly placed. Now, switch the foreground color to white, and in the tool properties, click Stroke Path with anti-aliasing disabled and a 1 pixel width. Then keep the path active for the next steps. Now we're going to add glow to the line. Create another transparent layer, and select Stroke Path again, but this time with an 11 pixels width. Then apply a Gaussian blur filter with a radius of 100 pixels. Then merge down the layers and crop the image automatically. Now, use the perspective tool to align the corners of the line, creating a tapered effect on one side. Then duplicate the layer with the line, and flip the duplicate layer horizontally. Position the duplicated layer to create a seamless, smooth-looking line. Now, duplicate the line layer multiple times. Then apply the eye warp filter to each duplicate, adding subtle curves to the lines. Then experiment with different settings to achieve varied curves. Now we're going to add dynamic blur. To do this, move the line slightly apart, then hide the background layer. Then create a new layer from the visible content and apply motion blur with a length of 170 pixels and an angle of 0 degrees. Then duplicate the blurred layer. Now we're going to enhance the contrast. Start by adding a new transparent layer. Then use the gradient tool to darken the left and right sides of the image. Then set the layers mode to dodge. Then blur the layer again using Gaussian blur with a radius of 100 pixels. Then adjust layer positions and opacities for a visually appealing result. And now your glow effects extreme effect is now complete. You can use it as a desktop wallpaper or incorporate it into your graphic designs for an electrifying finish. Experiment with different settings and variations to unleash your creativity and make the effect truly your own. And have fun creating stunning visuals with this technique. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.